In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in CapCut. Whether you're creating a seamless loop for social media, a background video for a presentation, or just experimenting with creative video edits, learning how to loop a clip is a valuable skill. CapCut is a fantastic user-friendly tool that makes this process simple and efficient. If you're new to CapCut and haven't tried it yet, you can use the link in the description to download the app and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial so you can create smooth, professional-looking video loops in no time. To begin, open the CapCut application on your computer or your mobile device. If you don't already have the app installed, make sure to grab it from your App Store or their official website. Once you're in, click on the option labeled Create New to start a fresh project. This will open up a blank workspace where you can customize your video edits from scratch. Next, select Blank Canvas to ensure you're working with a clean and empty project space. This gives you the flexibility to build your loop exactly how you want it. Now, it's time to import your video clip. Look for the plus sign or the import button, depending on the version you're using, and click on it. From there, select the video file you want to loop. Short, repeating clips work best for smooth transitions, so choose something that will naturally flow when played back to back. Once your file is imported, drag the video clip onto the timeline. Alternatively, if you're using the mobile version, simply tap the thumbnail of your video and it will automatically be added to the timeline. Next, you'll need to make a copy of your video clip on a computer. Right-click the clip on the timeline and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. If you're on mobile, look for the duplicate or copy icon, which should be located near your editing tools. Once you've copied the clip, move the playhead. That's the vertical line on the timeline that shows your current position to the very end of your video. When the playhead is in place, it's time to paste the copied clip. Right-click on the timeline and select Paste if you're on a computer. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V for mobile users. Just tap to paste the duplicate clip at the end of the original. This will add the copied video directly after the first one, creating the start of your loop. To extend the loop further, simply repeat the copy and paste process. The more times you duplicate the clip, the longer your video will loop. Keep in mind that if you accidentally add too many copies, you can always undo the action or manually delete any extra clips from the timeline. It's all about getting the duration just right for your project. Once you've added all the copies you need, it's time to review your work, play back the timeline from the beginning, and watch how the loop transitions from one clip to the next. If the loop doesn't flow smoothly, don't worry. This is a common issue with looping videos. You may need to trim a frame or two from the start or end of the clips to create a seamless transition. Take your time with this step, as it's crucial for achieving that polished, professional look. And that's it. You've successfully created a looping video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.